Good afternoon. I want to do the accent tag from Tumblr. So here we goes. My name is Joachim Frederik Celia. I'm from Sasolburg in the Free State in South Africa. I need to pronounce a couple of words. Aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, coat, naturally, aluminium, give, tumbler, cracker jack, doorknob, envelope, GPOYU, GPOY. Toilet paper on the house, we don't really do that, but I watched American movies and they normally call it TP. Bubbly carbonated drink, we call it a cool drink. Gym shoes, we call it tackies or trainers. Grandparents, oma, opa, or grandma, grandpa. It's a trolley. It's a contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket. It's a trolley. What's the thing you change the TV channel with? It's a TV remote or remote. Choose a book and read a passage from it. I'm so uneducated. I don't have any books with me. Let me see what I've got here to read. Postcode news. Well, there we go. I think I'm just gonna skip that one. I don't have a book with me now. No book. Okay. Do I think I have accent? Yes, I do think so. A lot of people do say that. Oh, you've got a strong accent. Be a wizard or vampire. I want to be a wizard. I don't know anybody on Tumblr. I need to say 3 words. You want the tall tree is talking. Cheers.